Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how can you animate your own program in Scratch. Okay, so the version of Scratch which I'm using is Scratch 3. The link is in the description below. So I'm just going to play the video and show you how you can make it. You can even take the screenshot of the program, but I better say you do not because the other time I'm not going to show you. So once you play the program, this paddle will move. This is a type of ping pong game or a ball game if you want to call it. And yeah, you can just score. Each time it touches, then the score will increase. And once it touches this line, then done. Finish. Okay, so completely it will stop. So my score 5. Not good, man. Che. So now let's make a new project. Okay, so we'll select new. It was a new project. I don't need the no, cat. So I select a new sprite. So it's loading. Okay, so here is the ball. So this is the ball over here. Okay, so here I have my ball, which is done. One sprite done. Okay, so now I have to select a backdrop. A backdrop means you can select any backdrop actually. You can select this, you can select this, you can select that, anything, even those. But I will select this neon tunnel because it's looking very cool to me. Now let's start animating for the ball sprite. First, we will select from the events the when green flag click block. Then we'll select point in direction block. Okay, that will be in motion tab. Here it is. So here we have point in direction 90 it's written. We can just change it into 45. Now we will select the forever block in control tab. And under it we are going to select move 15 steps. Okay, so here it is move 10 steps. We are just going to change it into 15. Then we are going to select the if on edge bounce one. Okay, here it is if on edge bounce, and we're going to select it. That's the first program completed. Now we're going to add a paddle now, a paddle. Okay, so we are going to go to the sprite tab, and now I'm going to select the paddle. Okay, so you can select actually any paddle you want. Okay, that's not a big problem. You can select any one, but I'm just going to select one particular paddle. And yeah, 1 second. Yeah, here it is. So here I have a paddle, and now I'm going to make a program under it, and make sure that you are just doing it for it. And I'm going to change the size into 150 as it is too small. Yeah, 150 is just a perfect size. Yep. So 150 is done. So you can even make it to other things and even make the ball smaller. So yeah, this symbol means that you are animating for or programming for this particular sprite. Okay, in other words, paddle. So now let's start animating for the sprite. So first we're going to select the forever block. Okay, forever block. But before the forever block, we are going to select this green flag. Then we are going to select the forever block. And below the forever block, under it, we are going to select set X to mouse X. Okay, so first we are going to go to motion, and we are going to get the set X to this much. Okay, so and we are going to go to sensing block, and here we are going to select the mouse X. And we're going to select it. So here it is, set X to mouse X is completed. Now we are going to add a line. Okay, so we are going to means add the line because that line is very important. Okay, so now we are going to go again to the sprite, and we are going to select the red line. Okay, you can actually select the paddle and make it very large also if you want, but red line will be actually from better. That is easier to figure out. So we just go more down. Here it is, the red line. Here it is over here. We are just going to click and drag it over here. There, done. Now that we have done it, so next let's do the programming for it. So we are going to put when green flag clicked, okay, to the events, when green flag clicked, then forever block, then we are going to select the if block, okay, here it is, if block, and in this place we are going to add in the sensing, here it is, the touching one, going to fit it inside, and instead of mouse pointer we are going to select ball. If touching ball, then we have to add something. We'll go again over here and we are going to select stop all, okay, means it will stop the complete. We can actually use this script or other scripts, or I'm just going to select all, okay, everything will be stop. So we have completed successfully the programming of the line and the paddle. I'm just going to enlarge the paddle a little bit more. Yep. Okay, so now it's time to select some order. Okay, so we have completed the animation for these two, or the programming. I said animation all time. So now let's do the remaining programming for the ball sprite. Okay, so first we are going to get the green flag. It's not going to leave us alone. So we're going to select the green flag. Then we are going to select forever block. Okay, so once selected forever block, we are going to select the if block once again. If block. And then we have to select the touching paddle thing. Okay, so we are again going to go to sensing, select the touching, and now we are going to select the paddle. Okay, so touching paddle, then what will happen? So we are going to go to the variables. Okay, so once you go to the variable, we are going to make a variable. Okay, so I'm just going to name it score. Okay, for all sprites. Then okay, so the score is over here, as you can see, and now I'm going to get set my variable. Okay, so sorry, not set my variable, it will be change my variable, which I'm going to turn into score by 1. Okay, change score by 1. Then we are going to put the turn 180 degree block. So yeah, where's the turn 180 degree? Yeah, here it is. So we're going to put the turn 180 degree. You can actually put any. Okay, so you can actually put this side turn or the other side turn, right, left, anything you can put. Just have to put the right. Okay, so 180 degree it will be. Okay, so I've put it. Now what will happen? We have to put turn 180 degree, then move 15 steps. Okay, move 15 steps block. After move 15 steps, we are going to put the block, wait for this much time. Okay, so that will be here, wait, it's written 1 second. 1 second will be too much. We are going to put it 0.5 seconds, and that's finished for our this one. Now we are going to make the last part. Okay, so the last one, move it over here a little bit, and even scroll this side actually. So now you have to again select the green flag. Then with the green flag you have to get the block set score to 0. Okay, here it is, set my variable to 0 or score to 0, and done. That's it. Okay, so now we have to just check if it's working. We have done all the animation or programming. We have done everything. Now let's play the program. Okay, so it's going there and we are playing with it. Wow, it's really fun. Yeah, it's not working. You can again check the code if it's not working. And yeah, another thing you might be noticing is that it's just going this direction. That's not a big problem. You can just pick it up and you can put it over here. Then you can just play and woohoo, it's going in other directions now. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And for saving this program, you can just go to can just save it. That is very easy. Okay, so yeah, again once again, this is Scratch version 3.17.1. You can even use Scratch version 2 or the basic version or nothing. Okay, so that's all, but I'll suggest you to use Scratch 3 as it is the best one. Can do anything, and you can just save it to your computer like this. In file you will get a save to your computer. These are all my Scratch projects till now. Okay, I am going to teach you how to make Ultimate Pac-Man also. So this is the Scratch project, and then you can just click save. I already have it as this, so I do not need it. So you can just click save and done. Thanks guys for watching this, and yeah, please subscribe and share, and do give this video a like. Thanks a lot